Hi guys, today I've got an easy twisted chignon hairstyle in under 3 minutes. To start, I'm going to divide the hair from ear to ear straight across and then just pop this into a ponytail at the back of the head. Make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Then simply pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole to create a twist. Pinch and pull the hair around the top of the head for some more texture and volume. I'm going to divide off a small slice of hair on the left hand side and I'm going to pop my fingers back through that twist behind it. Then pass that section to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Combine this with the ponytail with another elastic band. And then we're going to repeat on the right hand side, so take a small slice of hair, pop your fingers back behind that twist, grab the slice of hair, pull it all the way through and combine it with that ponytail. Secure the rest of the hair into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck, and again make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create another twist. Then I'm going to secure an elastic band on the very end of the ponytail, only pulling the ends halfway through on the last turn to make a loop. Now we're going to make a large hole straight through the middle of that ponytail and we're going to flip those ends through twice. So pop your fingers through, grab the ends and pull them all the way through. Now we're going to secure this loop just between those twists, so just roll it towards the head and then secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Then gently pinch and pull at the chignon for a little bit more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.